Sycamore Learning Center. We are going to tell you about our profound learning.
My sense organ. My eyes help me see the world around. My ears help me hear the different sounds.
My nose helps me smell the lovely flowers.
My skin helps me feel everything.
Taste. My tongue can taste the food, yummy food.
Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin help us enjoy the world we live in. I can see with my eyes.
I can touch with my skin.
I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. I can spell the word ear. E-A-R, ear. Tongue. I can spell the word tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. I can spell the word eye. A-Y-E, eye. I can spell the word hand. H-A-N-D, hand. I can spell the word nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Touch. I can spell the word touch. T-O-U-C-H, touch. Smell. I can spell the word smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell.
See. I can spell the word see. S-E-E, see.
Hear. I can spell the word hear. H-E-A-R, hear.
Taste. I can spell the word taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste.
Each one of us researched about the 5 senses and presented before the class. Here is our work. We want to give you examples how to use the 5 senses properly. We use our ears to listen to our teachers in class. We use our hands to write neatly in our pacework.
We use our eyes to read our pacework properly.
And for adults, they use their eyes and ears to see and hear properly on the road so that they don't get accidents. We ask all of you to use those 5 senses properly so that you don't get in trouble.
We want to tell you some Bible verses about the 5 senses.
Psalms chapter 34, verse 8. It tells us, taste and see, for the Lord is good.
Proverbs 18 verse 21 tells us to be careful with what we speak in our tongue. Psalms 139 verse 14, it says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made by God. So my 5 senses are fearfully and wonderfully made by God.
We enjoyed answering questions about the 5 senses. I enjoyed coloring pictures of the 5 senses. We made puzzles out of the 5 senses and learned to explain. I learned that my hands can touch.
I learned that I could hear with my ears, and I learned that I could smell with my nose. I learned that I can taste with my tongue. I learned that I can see with my eyes.
Please enjoy this video of our profound learning.
When I'm overwhelmed within from the weight of all my sin, I need a friend to call my own. I need a house to call my home. When I'm broken down inside and there's nowhere else to hide, I need a place where I feel known. Can someone help me? Then I hear you reply, bringing teardrops to my eyes, saying I'm not alone. Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt, just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh Lord, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better. Lord, I am so thankful for the ways that you bless me. Everything you say, making waves like a jet ski. You love every part of me, even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out. Jehovah Jireh, provider. Your way always gets me higher. Even on my darkest days, you're a lighter, my Messiah. Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt, just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, Lord, your ways better. Jesus, Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt, just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh.